Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, it is told that an ice box is completely filled with ice at 0 degrees Celsius and it is dipped into a large volume of water which is at 20 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find the rate at which the ice melt in the box. So first of all, I am going to write the given data for this question. We have given the surface area, that is A is equals to 2400 semi square, or I can say 2400 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. We have given the thickness, that is L is equals to 2 mm, or 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Thermal conductivity is 0.06 watt per meter Kelvin, or I can say this is watt per meter degree Celsius. And temperature of the box is 20 degrees Celsius and temperature of the ice is 0 degrees Celsius. We have given the value of latent heat of fusion for ice, that is 3.4 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. Now we know that rate of heat flow is given by, that is Q by T is equals to Ka into T1 minus T2 by L, and this Q is given by, that is mass into latent heat of fusion of ice. Now put the value of Q is, so this is M L ice upon T is equals to, this is Ka into T1 minus T2 upon L. Now we have to find the rate of melting of ice, that is M by T. This will given by, this is Ka into T1 minus T2 divides by L into L of ice. Now put all the data in this equation. So K is 6 into 10 to the power minus 2, area is 2400 into 10 to the power minus 4, and the temperature is difference, that is given to us, which is 20 minus 0, and the thickness is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this is 3.4 into 10 to the power 5. Now after solving this, we get, this is 144 upon 3.4 into 10 to the power 5. This will come out into kilojoule kg per second, so I have to multiply it with 3600 to convert it into kg per hour. So this is our answer in kg per hour, and this will come out to be 1.52 kg per hour. So this is the rate of melting of ice, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.